Hello guys, welcome back to my another video of Linux tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to use less command in Linux. Less command is used to view the test file. You can also view the file with the help of cat command, which I had shown you in my previous video. But less command has some more feature. So let me show you how to view the file with the help of less command. So firstly I will show you with the help of cat command, then you will understand more why we are using here less command. So I will type here cat file name. So here I have one file ls. I had done ls to see what file I had. So I had one file here name with book.txt. I will read that file with the help of first cat command. I will type cat file name to view the with the help of cat command. Just press enter. You can see it print all the line whole file at once. What here cat command is doing, it is printing all the line and exiting its task. So if you want to read that file from starting, then what we have to do, you have to just scroll up and go at beginning of the file. But there is limitation in terminal that it is showing some line, after that it is not allowing to view above at there. So there is limitation in terminal, so some line it will show you. So there is drawback in cat command that it is print all the line at once and exit it task. If you have I think if you have a 5 to 600 line in text file, then you are not able to view the file from the starting. Then you will go up here, scroll up, but you will not able to see the file from the starting. So at here less command come in. So less command type less to view the file with the help of less command. Then you have to type less. Let me clear the screen first. Oh, I had done wrong command. Clear clear. Then type ls book.txt. Then I will read from the with the help of cat less command. Type less book.txt. You have not, if you simple want to read with the less command, then you have not mentioned any option. You have to just type here ls less, then file name book.txt, then press enter. What this command do, it will print whatever comes at once in the screen. So it will print that line and keep holding unless you press key. It keep holding and showing you that file from the starting. So and here is the simple that from the starting it is showing, then able to read from the starting whatever the file from the starting, read it. After you want to go down, then you have to press down arrow key. Just press down arrow key. So if you press down arrow key, it show line by line. When press one time arrow key, down arrow key, then it will show next line. Just press. So if you go up, then you have to press up arrow key. It will show you line by line whatever. So press down up arrow key to see down, press down arrow key to see up, press up arrow key. There is one feature more come, that if you want to see the like you have read from here to here and you want to see next page, then you can press space bar key. See here, I am pressing space bar key. It is showing next page. It is not showing one line by line. It is showing page by page. So press space bar, showing page by page. And if you want to see previous page, then you have to press B key from your keyboard. Press B key. Just press B. It will show you previous page, and it is showing page by page, previous page. And less command have one, I will tell you one more feature with less command. If you want to search any string from that file, then you have to type here /. See here at lower at bottom it is showing colon. Here you can type command, any command, but you have to here just to search type / and the string name. So let me type here book to search string book. / here showing that it keeps searching from up to bottom. It keeps searching from up to bottom. Just press / and the string name. and press enter. So it will show you wherever it got matching with book, that string. So it's showing that, it highlighting that string here. So if you want to see next, here it is showing book, that string which I had enter. If you want to see next, from where next come, then you have to press N key from your keyboard. Just press N. It will show you another matching string from that whatever you have written. Just press N, another string, N, another string. So it will, what it will doing, it will doing, if it will doing from searching top to bottom. It will not search from up bottom to top. So if you want to search from bottom to top, then what you have to type, then press here question mark, press, see I am pressing, press question mark. After that mention the string. So I will type here string. Let me type pattern. If any string not found in that file, then it will show you like that, pattern not found, press return. So I will type here question mark again, and I will type, I will type book. So it is showing here, and to type N to see the next book, it will go up. See here, pattern not found. At the last it is showing pattern not found, because at the last it is not any word matching, that's why it is showing pattern not found. So here you will familiar with less command, how to use, how to search any string from the file, and how to view the file from the starting. So that much for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries or doubt related to this video, you can ask in comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye bye.